Guys, welcome to Digital Investments. Let me load. Yeah. So I have loaded on new positions. I have taken up a new position. If you come to my actual holding, I have exited my holding in JTL, Jindal Saw, and Geo Financial Service combined, and I have put all that money, including some little bit, into Zensar technology. Uh, into Zensar technology. Crude is up. Okay, I'll get into Zensar technology. I took a very small, 16 shares only. I'm waiting for it to give crash more. I'll accumulate more around this at 501, then at 549 before it actual moves happens. If fundamentals stay intact, I have a strong. This is one. Yesterday I was researching. If you look at yesterday I was researching. Uh, Fundamentally strong AI ecosystem. If you don't know, there was this farmer, I forgot his name. Former situational awareness LLP. If you he's Leopold Aschenberg. So what he does is, he started around with five not 500 million or around something, and he invested in not around AI. He didn't buy Google, Nvidia, Microsoft. He bought the ecosystem. Around AI. So if you look at his holdings, I was fascinated by this, like energy, cooling, power, the chip industry, everything. So I also thought, what there would be some stock which is not particularly related to AI. India's AI market is completely underdeveloped, so that is why I bought Zensar technology. If you look at, I did. Zensar technology order book. This is not like your this is not like let me load up Zensar. Yeah, this is not like your company like Infosys. This is actively into AI. The company is expanding into AI. It is making efforts into cloud-based services, AI services, which is, I felt it is pretty unique, and it's something like AWS or Azure, what they do. So they are more into that. You own the ecosystem around AI. No, power cooling, electricity, etc. Own the ecosystem around AI. So that is where the actual moat is. So that is why I invested. So more and more data centers will be pushed into the cloud. Now I have seen a pattern that a lot of data centers are being pushed to cloud. So when more Zensar, that is why I invested in Zensar. They are more into AI into cloud. So I invested. If you look at obviously I wouldn't invest just because AI. I am not. Guys, welcome to reward. It's pretty good risk to reward. If you look at daily, year wise, it absolutely killed its year wise. It absolutely, yes, killed its revenue. It made around 591 crores, which is around increase of almost, I think, around 20% increase, 30% increase. And profit is around 774 crores. And if you look at its cash, if you look at its latest earnings, it presented its earnings recently. If you look at its cash holdings also, uh, 931 crores, and a very good cash balance and no debt, which means, AI is a game of investing. You have to expand a lot. It's a game of investment. And since they are into AI infrastructure, they would be having a lot of expenses investments. So if this uh, 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 so that means they have lot more cash to cover, no debt. So if they take on debt also to expand further, it's also good. Revenue is also increasing. uh, if you look at its revenue quarter after quarter, it's at an increasing stage. Profits also increasing. Profits also are increasing. It killed its Q4 today. That is why I bought more. And coming to my I have to log in again. Yeah, this is my crypto position today. I have these two trades I have taken recently on the weekends. This one I taken on today. So these two are taken on weekends, and this one is new position which I have taken. So let's see how it goes. Good profit percentage, good margin. So, and I want to discuss this. I was thinking about this a lot, actually. A lot. I was thinking about this a lot. This is what caused a market to crash, 1%. Like, he's saying stop buying gold, bring back work from home. So basically, pre-COVID, what all happened? It stopped, save petrol and diesel is what caught my eyes, because if you look at where is my crude oil? Where's crude oil? Yeah, crude oil is rising. It's again as a rising, because Iran US deal fall through again. Yeah, what all Nasdaq has made, it has all given back. And crude oil deal has fallen through, and the deal has fallen through. Again with US Iran, and that is why. And I thought Iran agreed to let go of Indian ship to Strait of Hormuz. So now what happened? What happened? What happened? So what happened now is India. So what happened? Like, is he? What happened? Like, what do I say? I thought ships are allowed. We shouldn't be having trade oil deficit. We should be more into oil. Modi has did fantastic job. I thought Modi did very fantastic job. Very fantastic job. He got back. He's opened up Strait of Hormuz to India. India and Iran are in good trade partners. So what happened? What happened all of a sudden? I mean, stop buying gold because they want to preserve this forest reserve. I thought India had already for 800 billion forest reserve. So why are we telling to stop buying gold? This doesn't look so bullish to me at all. So we'll see how it goes. But this is what baffles me, like say petrol and diesel. I thought we have enough crude oil reserves. We have enough crude oil reserve. We don't need to rise petrol. All of a sudden, after the key election in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, the LPG price is shoot up because election was over. Now he can do whatever he wants. He doesn't care about our people. uh, and Strait of Hormuz was open to India. So why oil is becoming an issue here? I don't understand. Okay, so so that is what I wanted to share. I will be buying more of Zensar here because of its good fundamentals. So let's see how it goes. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.